Really quick, I would like to say that this content and channel is not intended for children. I am going to be using adult language, so viewer discretion advised. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm doing a doll review today. And if you didn't see the community post a couple weeks ago, I asked you guys which doll I should buy or which one would you like to see me review. And I gave you the options of the roller skating Barbie Margot Robbie. That was a mouthful, but hopefully you understood that. Or the Monster Ball Draculaura, which, as you can see, she's behind me. So that's the one I got.
Sweet, right, Dee?
Here's the back of the box. And at my Walmart, she was available for $22.99. She was originally going for, I believe it was $29.99, but Walmart was having like rollback sales or whatever, so I got her for a little cheaper. Love that. When I got her, she had her hair up in a half up and half down bun sort of thing. The hair was okay. I didn't love it out of the box. It had a lot of product in it. And also the tinsel in her hair, like all those, like all the purple reflective, that stuff is all tinsel. It feels so bad when you're like playing with her hair, when you're like touching it and playing with it. It just makes her hair feel really like coarse and dry. I was having a really hard time like debating on if I wanted to keep it in. It is really nice for like aesthetic purposes, but play-wise, it's not too fun in my opinion. Here's another shot of her hair out of the box. Not the worst, but definitely not the best. Here's her all black rose flower bouquet. It's really heavy and kind of hard to get her to hold. This chocolate fountain. And of course, these chocolate covered strawberries on a tray. They're a little easier for her to hold, I would say. I guess you would call this a collector card, not sure. Her pink purse, it's super cute, and it also opens up. Super nice detail. Her lip gloss or lipstick, it actually opens, which is a really nice detail that I am absolutely obsessed with. For jewelry, she comes with these two pink earrings and this black necklace. They both have heart and bat symbols all over them. She has two bracelets, one on each hand. One is pink and one is a black rose. She has these pink tights and these huge platform heels. I love them. I really wish they had a little bit more of black details on them, like on the sides or something. But otherwise, love this shoe. And now time to finally get all that product out of her hair. It was a complete mess, let me tell you. Now, this is me boil straightening her hair, which some people might think is redundant since I'm curling her hair after, but I just wanted to get all the knots out and kinks. I wanted it nice and straight before I even played around with it. I dunked the rest of the hot water all over her hair, and then I proceeded to comb it all out and making sure it was nice and straight. And then I was gonna go and style it. I just really like Draculaura with pigtails. I think it looks nice. I curled her hair, as you can see. It's a little stiff right now, but it'll loosen up over time. I really enjoy this doll, and I'm super happy that I decided to add her to my collection. I'm thinking about adding some more Monster High dolls, so let me know in the comments which ones you would like to see me review and which ones you recommend. This doll has neck, chest, shoulder, wrist, and elbow articulation, and of course all her leg joints move as well, her hips and her knees. She doesn't have an ankle joint, but I don't really see the purpose for her having an ankle joint. Her makeup is really pretty. It's this pink cut crease with a black smoky eye and then just a bright pink lip. She also has a little bit of blush on. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, this light kind of washes her out. You can kind of see the blush now. Okay, we're gonna get in some nitpicky details. I don't know if I already mentioned in the video about the tinsel in the hair. I really do not like the tinsel in the hair. I love the hair type that they used on her otherwise. It feels okay. Like when I was washing her hair and like I was separating the front ends, because that's where most of the tinsel is in the pink in the front. And the black feels so much better. And I just don't really enjoy the appearance of the tinsel, especially when it's not styled. I don't know if I have pictures of it. I should really show you some pictures. I'll try to find some online if I don't. But it was just getting really rat nesty. It was just like tangling really easily.
Why are you so stubborn?
Don't get tinsel haired dolls if you don't want to like hassle, in my opinion. I'm happy I kept the tinsel because it does look really pretty, but I don't think I'm gonna restyle her hair. It's just too much. I really like the way it came out, but it's not worth the payoff. You know what I mean? Like, it turns this nice doll hair into something very coarse, and it just doesn't feel nice to play with. It gets caught really easy, and it's a little stretchy. So I'm not pulling it out on purpose. It's just like a really snaggy thing to have in a hair. Don't recommend it. Do not get a doll with tinsel in the hair again. Putting that in my mental thing. Also, a very minor, like, I would be more upset if they didn't come off. When I got this doll, brand new out of package, there was little black marks on her body. I don't want to say everywhere, but it was on her arm and it was all over her legs. Now, it came off very easy. I just scrubbed a little with a wash rag. I didn't even have like cleaner or anything on it, and it came off super easy. But it's just like, why are your dolls going in the packaging dirty? Or like, and it was underneath her clothes too. So like, it's just a little confusing to me. And like, why are your dolls dirty, MGA? I believe MGA is who makes Mattel's dolls. Don't quote me on that. Actually, MGA makes Bratz and not Monster High dolls. I think I had those two mixed up in my mind. My bad.
It would be educational.
Okay, I kind of rambled a little bit. Sorry if this video was a little long. I'm gonna try and get back on a more consistent schedule for uploading. So sorry about that. Bear with me, please. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any more doll reviews or you see any dolls that on my wall that you would like me to review, let me know in the comments. And while you're down there, maybe hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like. It helps a lot, believe me. Bye! She also... Okay, we're gonna get into some That was a weird outro. I don't know if I want to try again. Hit that notification bell and hit the like. Well, that's just a mouthful. Bye.